as I promised, here is the next video of this special 3-part video series. The topic for today is the Twilight Zone, also known as the midwater. The Twilight Zone is a mysterious part of the ocean which begins at around 200 meters below sea level and goes on till 1000 meters below sea level. The water is rather dim but with a lot of flashes of bioluminescence. However, the weather compared to the Twilight Zone, compared to the Midnight Zone, is not as harsh. The water is at around 7 to 8 degrees Celsius and the pressure is decreased from 4 tons to 1 ton. The animal species include lanternfish, hatchetfish, midwater jellyfish and viperfish. Sperm whales occasionally dive down to the Twilight Zone in hunt for their favorite meal, giant squids. Giant squids are residents of the Twilight Zone, but they also take dips down to the Midnight Zone in search for their food. An interesting fact about the giant squid: the giant squid has eyeballs the size of average beach balls. Bristle-mouthed fish. They are the most abundant species on the whole planet. You could be wondering, what is the number of these bristle-mouthed fish if they are the most populous amount of fish? Well, the answer is really large, more than 1,000 trillion. Scientists discovered that orcas and sharks dive down to the Twilight Zone in search for food. This is rather surprising, as orcas and sharks are mainly daylight zone fish. So diving down to the Twilight Zone is a rather large leap. Krill also take safety in the Twilight Zone, as they have to be protected there from penguins and whales in search for a yummy meal. The Twilight Zone was only discovered in 1930, which may sound astounding for many people, but is actually true. The cause for this is because of the amount of bristle-mouthed fish. The bristle-mouthed fish was so abundant, scientists just assumed that was the ocean base due to the amount of bristle-mouth. Only in 1930 was the Twilight Zone discovered. So until 1930, scientists believed that there was only one zone in the whole ocean. With this, I would like to conclude my video. Thanks for watching.